What is robots.txt? Robots.txt is a file that can be saved to a website's server. It lets crawlers know if and when they can visit and index web pages. Doing this lets you exclude certain web pages from search results. How to check if your website has a robots.txt file. There are two main ways for you to do this. You can use the Google Search Console robots.txt tester, or you can use a tool like MarketGoo to detect your robots.txt file. To check whether your website has a robots.txt file via your MarketGoo account, simply log in and then go to the Audit Your Site page. And once you are there, go to the first section called Site Review and then scroll down, and if you see robots.txt with a green tick next to it, it means you have successfully added your robots.txt file, and if you haven't, it will be as a task you need to complete, and it will also show you the easiest way possible to add one to your website if you haven't already. So that is how you check for a robots.txt file via your MarketGoo account. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye. What is sitemap.xml? The sitemap.xml file is an XML file that is saved to a website's server. It contains a list of all the web pages belonging to the website. The file helps search engines understand the structure of a website. It speeds up the crawl process and helps crawlers see all pages within a website. The file also gives extra information to crawlers to make sure nothing is missed. How to check if your website has a sitemap.xml file. There are two main ways for you to do this. You can go to your URL /sitemap.xml and it should come up there. To do this, you simply need to go to your website's homepage, and then from there go to the bar at the top and then add /sitemap.xml like so, and then hit enter. And if you have one, it will appear right here. So as you can see, I have an XML sitemap on my website. So that is how easy it is to check for your XML sitemap. Or you can use a tool like MarketGoo to detect your sitemap.xml file. To use MarketGoo to check for your XML sitemap, simply log in to your account and then go to the Audit Your Site page. From there, if you have a look at the Site Review tasks, and then scroll down, you can see that include a sitemap in an XML format is ticked, which means that I have done it correctly. If I haven't done it, it will be a task that I need to complete, and it will have a cross next to it instead of a tick. So that is how you check for your sitemap.xml file using your MarketGoo account. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.